Good morning, students. As you know that formal letters are part of your syllabus this year. One of the formal letter we have already done, that is letter to editor, and today we will discuss complaint letter. Why do we write complaint letter? There are many reasons. Suppose when you purchased a mobile phone or any product, for example, you purchased a mobile phone and which turns out to be defective, it is not working properly, then you write the letter to the shopkeeper or the storekeeper regarding that defect and or regarding that defective piece, and this is called complaint letter. Or there can be many other reasons behind writing the complaint letter. Let us discuss all those reasons, these reasons. See, whenever you face any defective order, any delay in the order, you ordered something and it has not reached to you yet till now, so then you write a complaint letter. If you receive any order but the goods are in damaged condition or the goods are different from what you have ordered, सपोज आपने कुछ बुक्स मंगवाई बट दोज बुक्स आर नॉट द सेम विच यू हैव ऑर्डर्ड, बल्कि कोई और बुक्स आपके पास आ गई, देन यू राइट कंप्लेंट लेटर. क्वांटिटी, आपने 50 बुक्स मंगवाई बट यू गॉट ओनली 20, देन यू राइट कंप्लेंट लेटर. और goods are delivered at the wrong address, or you are not satisfied with the work or with the services of any company or any store. Misbehavior of staff or salesman, suppose you went to purchase a mobile and then you faced the misbehavior of any staff member of the store, then you write a complaint letter. Mistake in preparing the invoice basically you can call the statement of your bill. Understood? आपने बिल बनवाया अपने प्रोडक्ट का और विच इज़ नॉट करेक्टली मेड. अंडरस्टूड? डिफेक्टिव पैकेजिंग, ठीक है. मिस्टेक इन बिल सिमिलर टू दैट. और रिमाइंडर फॉर पेमेंट आफ्टर द बिल हैज़ बीन पेड. सपोज आपने बिल पे कर दिया बट स्टिल यू आर गेटिंग द reminders from the company that you have not paid the bill. Mistake in prepare, this we have discussed. Wrongdoing in public, beta, other than the products, you can write complaint letter related to the public issues. For example, if you notice that the roads in your area are not in proper condition, there are digs or pits on the roads, still you can write a complaint letter to the municipal corporation. Suppose it is written rash driving of the DTC drivers, poor treatment of street dogs, or there can be many other. Understood? Let me just briefly tell you that your letter will be of 8 marks in your exam. 1 mark will be given for the format. Format means the sender address, date, receiver, the body of the letter. It should be written in proper order. Then you receive or get 1 mark. Content, whatever you write in the body of the letter, that will help you to get 4 marks if you are writing it properly. Accuracy, when grammatically your letter is correct, अगर आप बिल्कुल correct letter लिखते हो, उसमें कोई grammar error नहीं है, then you get 1.5 marks. Then is fluency. Fluency means all the matter should be relevant and it should be in proper order. Then you get 1.5 marks. फ्लुएंसी होता है बेटा, ये नहीं है कि आपने पहले ये बता दिया कि लेटर में आप चाहते क्या हो स्टोर कीपर से, है ना, बाद में आप प्रॉब्लम बता रहे हो, तो इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक दैट. इट शुड बी इन प्रॉपर ऑर्डर. अंडरस्टूड? बट मेक श्योर दैट इफ यू आर राइटिंग ओनली फॉर्मेट and in the body of the letter you have not written anything, then you will get no marks. Suppose आपने sender address सब कुछ लिख दिया but body of the letter में कुछ भी नहीं लिखा, then no marks are awarded to the student. Clear? Let's discuss the format of the complaint letter or one of the sample letter we are going to discuss. The first thing the writer has done is the sender address, means your own address or the address of the writer, जो भी letter लिख रहा है उसका address, then date. Okay, you can leave line over here after writing sender address and after writing date. यहाँ पर आप space छोड़ सकते हो so that your letter will look good. It will not look messy. देन रिसीवर एड्रेस जिसे आप लेटर लिख रहे हो, ओके, एज मेसर्स HMT कॉरपोरेशन, ठीक है. एंड देन बेटा वन थिंग इज टू बी कीप इन माइंड, देन इज सब्जेक्ट, ओके, कंप्लेंट रिगार्डिंग फंक्शनिंग ऑफ वॉच and its replacement. Your watch is not working and you want the receiver or the storekeeper to change it as soon as possible. Then you have to write the subject, okay. तो सब्जेक्ट आपको पहले लिखना है, फिर आपको सैल्यूटेशन लिखना है, सर और मैम बाद में सब्जेक्ट की. क्लियर दिस? देन इज द बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर. द फर्स्ट para should be all about why are you writing the letter. As the writer has written here, I bought a Titan watch model number this, so you are properly mentioning that you purchased a Titan watch, its model number is this, dated, कब खरीदा था, देखो आज 8 मई हुई है, and you purchased it on 15 April, okay, it means 20 days back you purchased it, against cash memo number. What is cash memo number? This can be called bill number और receipt number, okay, ताकि वो जब अपनी बिल बुक खोले तो उसे पता चल जाए कि हाँ आपने सच में ये खरीदी थी, ओके. From your store, I regret to inform you that your product has not performed well. So now in the first para you are telling that you are not satisfied with the watch that you purchased from their store. Then the second para should be all about the problem in detail. You are telling that the battery of the watch is not properly charged, does not get properly charged, it is not working, the battery is causing problem, okay. So you are telling that you want them to change the watch, okay, with the fully functioning model. एंड यू आर ऑल्सो टेलिंग कि आप इस लेटर के साथ रिसीट को भी अटैच कर रहे हो, जो बिल आपको मिला था वो आप अटैच कर रहे हो. एनक्लोज का मतलब होता है अटैच करना, ठीक है. copies of receipt along with the guarantee card. You got a guarantee card from the store and you are also attaching one of the copy of that, okay. आप इसकी photocopy जो है receipt की भी और guarantee card की साथ में लगा रहे हो letter की, so that they will get the evidence. Then in the last para you will write that what do you expect from the receiver. So you are asking them to replace it, and if they don't solve your problem you will go to consumer protection agency. You are also writing your contact number in case they need it. And the last thing is complimentary closing. Yours truly, yours faithfully or yours sincerely can be written here. Your name, make sure जो नाम आपको लेटर में दिया गया है as it is written that you are दीप्ति और दीपक, वही आपको लिखना है. You can't write your own name, understood. एंड एनक्लोजर, क्या क्या अटैच कर रहे हो आप लेटर में, रिसीट एंड गारंटी कार्ड. क्लियर? सो दिस वे यू कैन राइट अ कंप्लेंट लेटर. सो कंप्लेंट लेटर कैन बी लाइक आपकी गली स्ट्रीट्स जो हैं दोज आर नॉट प्रॉपरली मैनेज्ड, सो यू कैन राइट अगेंस्ट दोज ऑल्सो. You can practice one of the letter in the same way, okay. In the first para all these things will be there, and in the second para you have to write the problem in detail, and the third para like this. Clear?